Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds LG TONE Free on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. After that you need to go to the search line. If you have iOS 26, you will see a search line at the bottom and you tap on it, and if you have previous version, at the bottom you will see a button what called search. You click on it and then at the top you will see search line, and then you click at this search line. Now you need to write LG TONE Free and click the search. And you need to install this application, what called LG TONE Free. Now open it. Right here you need to click Hello to find these earbuds and add it to the application. Then, if you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need, click Do Not Allow. Confirm, then agree and proceed. And confirm. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.